In this video, we're unboxing and replacing the rear brake pads kit for Jeep Wrangler 2013. This is the instruction manual. The brake grease, the front brake pads with wear indicators. The rear brake pads with wear indicators. The rear brake pad retaining clips. The front brake pad retaining clips. The following are the tools required for replacing the brake pads. Towel. Large electric impact wrench. Medium 13mm short socket. Large 18mm deep socket. Large short extension bar. 13mm wrench. 15mm wrench. 17mm wrench. Brake caliper hook. Brake caliper piston tool. Medium torque wrench. Large extendable ratcheting wrench. Large torque wrench. Open the hood. Set the hood prop rod in place. Remove the brake fluid reservoir cap. Place a towel around the brake fluid reservoir. Avoid the brake fluid drip and damaged components during retracting the caliper piston. Using the large 18mm deep socket, large short extension bar, with large extendable ratcheting wrench, loosen the wheel lug nuts. Continue to loosen other wheel lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Using the large 18mm deep socket, short extension bar, with large electric impact wrench to remove the lug nuts, remove the wheel, remove other wheels in the same way. Using a 13mm wrench with a 17mm wrench, remove the front brake caliper mounting bolts. Remove the bolts. Remove the other bolts. Remove the front brake caliper. Use the brake caliper with mounting caliper. Remove the brake pads. Remove the brake pad retaining clips. Remove the inner brake pad retaining clips. Using the brake caliper piston rewind tool, compress the caliper piston. Remove the caliper piston rewind tool. This is what it looks like after retracting the caliper piston. Here is the comparison of the old and new front brake pads with retaining clips. The reason we replace it is because the old pads are extremely worn, which caused reduced braking performance. Align and install the new brake pad retaining clips. Apply a thin, even layer of brake grease to the backplate of brake pad. Align and install the new front brake pads. Make sure that the brake pad with the wear indicator must be installed inner side. Depending on the worn level of the brake rotors to chamfer the edges. Otherwise, it may make huge noise. Remove the front brake caliper. Install the new brake caliper. Install the mounting bolts. Using the medium 13mm short socket with medium torque wrench, tighten the front brake caliper mounting bolts. Tighten torque, 33 Nm, 24 foot-pounds. After finishing one side, continue to replace the other side brake pads in the same way. Using a 13mm wrench and a 15mm wrench, remove the rear brake caliper mounting bolts. Remove the bolts. Remove the other bolts. Remove the rear brake caliper. Use the brake caliper hook. Remove the old rear brake pads. Remove the rear brake pad retaining clips. Here is the comparison of the old and new rear brake pads with retaining clips. The reason we replace it is because the old pads are extremely worn. Using the caliper piston rewind tool, retract the caliper piston. Once the piston is fully retracted, remove the tool. Now let's install the new rear brake pad retaining clips. Align them with the grooves in the caliper bracket. When install the inner side retaining clip, make sure that the retaining clip must be installed outwards. Apply a thin, even layer of brake grease to the brake pads, touch the caliper. Then align the holes to install the new rear brake pads. Make sure that the brake pad with the wear indicator must be installed inner side. Depending on the worn level of the brake rotors to chamfer the edges. Otherwise, it may make huge noise. Remove the brake caliper hook. Install the brake caliper. Align the holes and install the mounting bolts. Using the medium 13mm short socket with a medium torque wrench, tighten the brake caliper. Tighten torque, 33 Nm, 24 foot-pounds. Replace the other side rear brake pads in the same way. After installing all the brake pads, pump the brake pedal repeatedly, then retract the brake caliper. Install the wheels. Install all the lug nuts. Using the large 18mm deep socket, short extension bar with the large electric impact wrench, snug the lug nuts down. Snug the other lug nuts down in the same way. Lower the vehicle. Remove the towel. Reinstall the brake fluid reservoir cap. Use clean water to rinse off any spilled brake fluid. Remove the hood prop rod. Close the hood. Using the large 18mm deep socket, short extension bar with the large torque wrench, tighten the lug nuts and torque them to specification. Tighten torque 150 Newton meters, 111 feet-pounds. Tighten the remaining wheels in the same way.